Climbers in Malibu find abandoned German Shepherd with zip ties around mouth, neck. USA Today. A German Shepherd was found abandoned with zip ties around its mouth and neck in a remote area of Malibu Creek Canyon, police say. Below are your comments. The cruelty of humans towards animals is unfathomable and always heartbreaking. Kudos to the good people who found and rescued this poor dog. Hopefully, in time, the dog will recover and find owners worthy of all he has to give. I swear the older I get, the less I like human beings. I've had 2 German Shepherds in my life. Both were dumped by some so-and-so. They were both intelligent, loyal, sweet and yes, a bit protective, but they never were mean or aggressive. What a pretty boy that fellow is. I hope he finds a goo. See more. It's inconceivable to me how humans can inflict so much pain on these animals. Many thanks to those Hat found and rescued him. I hope there's a follow-up story where we'll find out if he finds a forever home. That is very sad for the dog and cruel for whomever did that to the dog. High fives to those who found and rescued the dog and for taking it to the shelter. This level of cruelty makes me sick and angry. Whoever did this wanted this poor, beautiful dog to suffer as much as possible. Thank goodness he was found and rescued. Kudos to everyone involved in taking care of this boy and making sure he was safe. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.